Welcome everybody to our baby massage class. So I'm Wan Ying, I'm from City Osteopathy and Physiotherapy. Alright, so we will go through a little bit on benefits of baby massage, and then I will show you the best position for you to do baby massage, and also the preparation of what you need to do beforehand. Okay, so then we will move on with baby massage strokes and importance of tummy time. These are the benefits of baby massage. Now, preparation. I'm going to show you some different positioning that you can use for your baby. So, the best position is actually cradle. Okay, so how to do cradle is where you put your legs in this position. So, lay a towel, and then you can put your baby right in between both of your feet. Alright, so this serves as a confined space. Okay, baby will feel secure when you do the massage. The other way is to just put a nest, okay? So you can just roll it up, both sides, okay? This way. If you have tight muscle here, you don't have to sit like this, okay? So you can just put baby like this, okay? With the nest all around the baby. We don't do massage when baby is having fever, alright? We don't do massage after feeding. We don't do massage when baby is cranky. These three things. Environment is also important, okay? So ideally, it should be a dim environment, comfortable, cozy, so baby will feel safe as well. So it's a good habit to tell your baby that we are starting massage, okay? Every time, do the same thing every time, then baby would know that, oh, every time you come over, you say this, it's the time for massage. You can apply some oil in your hand, wrap it up, warm it up. Okay, so oil will help to reduce the friction on the skin, so it will be more comfortable. For today, we will cover 4 main parts: the legs, arms, tummy, and back. So let's start. For the first steps, so steel touch is basically just putting your hand down. Okay, so your baby know that you are coming to massage the legs. Rolling is a very relaxing massage. So what you do is, you're going to put baby's leg in between your palms, okay, from at the thigh. And then you roll all the way to the ankle. Finger roll what you're going to do. So just put your thumb in between baby's thumb and the index finger. Open this up. And then you're going to start from the root, the base of the finger. You do rolling and then give a gentle pull. Okay, from the base of the finger, roll it up and give a gentle pull. So when you're doing this, you swipe it downwards. You have to really use some force, okay, some mild and gentle pressure. Okay, if you're doing light touch on the skin, it might not help. So small circles is where you create these small circles around the 2 muscles along the spine. Please avoid the spine. Okay, so just these 2 parts of the back. So there are many proven benefits of tummy time, and you need to start as early as possible. So some of the benefits include head control. So head control is the foundation of all the motor development. Okay, so if the head control is not good, it will affect the future development. For example, rolling, sitting up, standing. Baby will be delayed.